Hi students, so today we're going to be finishing our math lesson that we started on Friday. So make sure you guys have your chapter 3 math book and turn it over to page 125. Okay. And since this is a video, you guys are welcome to pause it at any time. Number 1, write a multiplication sentence for the array shown. First of all, we need to see how many rows there are. There are 1, 2. 2 rows. We need a multiplication sentence. So it's 2 times, how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 6 equals, you can count them all together, or if you know, 6 plus 6 equals 12. For the next one, we have to count the rows first. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here there are 6 rows. How many are in each row? 1, 2. Again, you can add them one by one, or if you can count by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. For problems number 2 through 4, write a multiplication sentence for the model. Then use the commutative property of multiplication to write a related multiplication sentence. First of all, how many groups do we see? There are 2 groups. How many counters are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 4 equals, what's 4 plus 4? Or you can count them one at a time. 4 plus 4 equals 8. If you guys remember to Friday, the commutative property tells you it doesn't matter the order of the factors, the product will still remain the same. So a related multiplication sentence using the commutative property would be 4 times 2 is still 8. Let's do number 3. First of all, we need to count how many rows there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of how many? 1, 2, 3. So you can count them one by one or 3 by 3. 3 and 3 is 6. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. A related multiplication sentence using the commutative property would be, let's change the factors around. 3 times 5 will still give us 15. Okay, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows of how many in each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 5 equals, remember, you guys can count by fives, or you can count each little one. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Commutative property of multiplication tells me I can switch the order of the 2 factors, and I still get the same answer. Okay, down here we're going to continue. So I'm going to help you with the first multiplication sentence, and you guys are going to do the commutative property related sentence to it. So number 5, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 rows of 4 is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go ahead and give me the related multiplication sentence using the examples we used up here. Okay, when you're done, number 6. How many groups? 1, 2. There are 2 groups of how many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 5 equals 5, 10. Give me a related multiplication sentence using the commutative property. Remember, the order of the factors can be switched around, but we get the same product. Number 7, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6 equals, again, you can add 6 plus 6 plus 6, or 1 at a time. I know my doubles, so 6 plus 6 gives me 12. Now 12 plus 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now go ahead and write a related multiplication sentence using the commutative property. Okay. Once you're done, you're going to move down to number 8 through 13. We're trying to find the unknown factor. But here's a clue. We're going to be using the commutative property of multiplication. In that case, 3 times 7 is the same as 7 times 3. Number 9. 4 times 5 is the same as 10 times what? Well, here I can't really use the commutative property because we have different factors. So here I would have to actually solve. 4 times 5. We can count 5 4 times. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So 4 times 5 equals 20. 10 times what number is going to give us also 20? 10 times 2 will also give us 20. Okay, and you're going to be doing the same for number 10, 11, 12, and 13. Find the missing factor. And if you guys need help with this, I would suggest you guys solve the problem first. Remember, you guys can always draw a picture. 3 groups of 6. What's the answer? Then you're going to find another factor that you can multiply by that number. Okay. Go ahead and turn your page. We are now on page 126. Let me fix this. Okay, number 14. Jenna used pine cones to make 18 peanut butter bird feeders. She hung the same number of feeders in each of 6 trees. Draw an array to show how many feeders she put in each tree. So let's circle our information here. So she made 18 peanut butter bird feeders. That's the total number that she made. But we need to find out how many feeders she put in the 6 trees. So it says, please draw an array to show how many feeders she put in each. So I hope you guys can see this little white space up here. We're going to try to work here. So my 6 trees, those are going to be my 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, that's a little tight space. So if we don't know how many are going to be in each row, we are going to have to put 1 at each row, 1 at a time until we get to 18. Remember, we did it last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're done. We got to 18. How many were in each tree? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 feeders in each tree. Now, number 15 asks you, what if instead she hung the same number of feeders in, this time, 9 trees? How many feeders would she put in each tree? So instead of having 6 trees, what if she now has 9? So let's draw our 9 rows for the 9 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, she is still making 18 bird feeders because it says she's going to make the same number. How many would be in each tree now? So one at a time until we get to 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many are in each tree this time? 1, 2. So this time, she would put 2 feeders in each tree. Okay. You guys don't have to do number 16. So I'm going to have you do number 17 and 18 on your own. Try your best. And I need you guys to take a picture of your work. So we did 3 pages today. I want a picture of page 125 showing me your work. I want a picture of page 126 showing me your work. And you guys are going to do the gray sheet as your practice for homework as well. You're going to do all of the problems. Number 1 is done for you. So you're doing 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you will also take a picture of this. All right, I hope this helps you guys. I'll see you later.